So okay, today I'm gonna teach you about open PyAutoGUI. So that is gonna make you do anything like uh, if you want to make your computer get about picture, you can make it with PyAutoGUI. Okay, the first thing open we're gonna create a new file. I will make the name is index.py. Okay, now we have file index, and I want another folder. This img that is gonna this we gonna keep a picture or something like, yeah, like that make computer know. Okay, now we will import PyAutoGUI, and then we will while true. Okay, then if we want to have an already, we will capture of the picture. This game about click speed test, you can use that also me. Okay, this game we will see about red dot, yeah, dot, and then we will capture screen about this dot to make our computer know about this. I want small size. Then save. Coding. YouTube .jpg. Okay, now we have dot, and then we will create a decay variable. Dot is PyAutoGUI okay on screen. Okay. This here we have put two arguments. The first argument is part of the picture that we keep it, and second argument is confidence. This is gonna make computer how different of this picture we will get it. And if we keep PyAutoGUI locate on screen mg dot in the dot, we're gonna check it. If dot have thread really have, we're gonna PyAutoGUI. I forgot. We have to declare x and y, and PyAutoGUI center of the dot, and PyAutoGUI is gonna click x and y. Okay, that's enough. That's all of this code. It's very easy. You can do it. You can do. I will run it. Index.py. Now play again. Oh, it's work. Now you see the result that we make it. This work about game that make that see a picture. Yes, so this good of this code. So I hope this code gonna make you good at this. So I have to buy you. See you again next week or next month, I don't know. See you.